Hi guys, I'm James unboxing Ariana Grande perfume gift set. This is not mine, it's my sister's. But I wanted to unbox it because I love Ariana Grande. Anyway, so here's the box. It's got her name on the front there, Ariana Grande. The box is pink. The back it's very dark. It's got Ariana Grande. It's quite hard to get off this top. 1 sec. So here's the inside. It's the perfume and body lotion. Let's take a close look. Here's a close look at the perfume. The liquid is pink, I'm pretty sure. It says Ariana Grande around the side, but you can't see it. It's not focusing well. No pun intended. And it's got a little pom-pom on the side. And it smells really nice and I love it. So this is the body lotion. It's white with like pink on it and with different colours. It's got Ari by Ariana Grande. I hope it would like to focus. And then bottom's got body lotion. It doesn't want to focus. It's got a purple cap. On the back, this is 100ml. And on the perfume is a 30ml. Thanks for watching my Ari by Ariana Grande perfume unboxing gift set. Thanks for watching. Bye.